Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to disable media reuse in the Threads app on your Android phone. Media reuse lets Threads suggest or reuse images and videos you've already posted. If you want more control over your content, turning it off is quick and easy. Open the Threads app on your Android phone. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then tap the two horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Account. Tap on it to access your account settings. Now, tap on Media. Find the option labeled Media Reuse and toggle it off to disable it. Then click on Turn Off to confirm. That's it. Now you've successfully disabled media reuse in Threads. This small change helps keep your content fresh and unique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.